As hairdressers, we all understand why it is important to have an established core of classic haircuts that work across all lengths and textures. With this in mind, Tony and Guy created the original Classic Cuts video collection. This has played a major part in the educational program that has helped establish our worldwide reputation. At Tony and Guy, we are constantly inspired by contemporary fashion trends and reflect these in our annual collections. Now we have also revised our basic techniques and present a second collection of classic cuts, which, as well as updating the original cuts, have added a men's collection and a guide to personalizing techniques. This collection of videos and the accompanying step-by-step book will provide you with a solid foundation in the skills of modern haircutting and color. Classic Cuts 2 from Tony and Guy.
The classic bob is a one-length cut above shoulder level. It is eternally fashionable and can be adapted for both straight and wavy hair. A natural parting is taken from the front hairline and brought diagonally back to the profile at the nape. Diagonal forward sections are taken from the profile to the back of the ear, below the occipital. With the head slightly forward, the hair is combed to natural fall using the fine teeth of the comb. Holding the hair in the comb, the line is cut square from the profile to the outer edge. The opposite side is then worked in piecemeal, from the profile to the outer edge. Diagonal forward sections are taken from the profile to the top of the ear. The hair is combed to natural fall, held in the comb, and cut to follow the guideline. Check balance. A horseshoe section is taken from above the occipital to the recession area. the head upright, the hair is combed to natural fall using the wide teeth of the comb. The line is cut square from the profile to the back of the ear, through to the side. Allow for the protrusion of the ear by relaxing tension. Exactly the same technique is worked on the opposite side. Check balance. Horseshoe sections are continued up the head until the natural parting is reached. The hair is combed with the wide teeth of the comb to minimize tension and graduation. Check balance. Aware of the crown movement. The hair is now ready for blow drying. Using a styling brush, section in exactly the same way as for the cut. Here the hair has been coloured using a half-head highlighting technique, which can be viewed on our classic colouring series. blow drying, the line is checked freehand and any excess graduation removed. Classic bob recap. Partings and sections move from diagonal forward into horseshoe. Distribution is at natural fall. Elevation is 0 degrees, held in the comb. And the line is cut square. Personalizing is an essential part of the Toni and Guy philosophy. Texturizing techniques are used to adapt classic shapes to suit the individual. On the last video in this series, we introduced techniques such as point cutting, slicing, brick cutting, and razoring, which expand the classic portfolio to accommodate all lengths and textures of hair and allow the stylist to develop their creativity for the benefit of the client.